We hired MJR for electrical connection work for this facility, and they did good job for us. My name is Bhushan Goyal. I work with Triumph for last 1.5 years. I work for Triumph for this facility, AMI, which is stand for Institute of Advanced Medical Isotope. We are building this facility for past 4 years, and soon it will be operational. And this facility meant for medical isotope production and research.
So we're here at Triumph at the IMA project, where we helped wire a cyclotron into the basement from the electrical room all the way to the controlled parts and aspects in the building. What we needed to do is assess the existing electrical system that was down there, make sure that it was correct for all of the panels and equipment that was needed for the cyclotron, and or run new wiring from the equipment to the panels that were spread throughout the building. In this building, there is 2 levels below where the electrical room was, and it was quite complicated to actually run a conduits downstairs and get through into the cyclotron chamber because it's all thick concrete. So we helped our clients assess the building and do that properly.
So initially, during first project, we felt it may be too technically complex for them, and so on first job, I was checking on every day, every 2 hours if they are doing good job or not. But after first job, I was confident they have all the technical know-how and they can do the job. So initially, there's like relationship establishment. So yeah, initially it was tough, but it was good. It went well.